Let's make some Cynful oven-baked pork chops, y'all. Start out by patting those pork chops dry with a paper towel on both sides. This is a really simple recipe. Doesn't take much time, and oh my god, it's so good. Now we're going to coat the pork chops with some olive oil on both sides, so just put some olive oil on top. I didn't really measure this, so just kind of whatever works for you. And then spread it around to coat the sides of the pork chops. Flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and season these really well with the Cynful burger spice. You can almost make it a crust. We're going to do both sides as well. Now this burger spice will go good on anything. I put it on chicken, I put it on obviously pork chops, and on burgers. So get it nice and coated in that seasoning. And really and truly, y'all, that's pretty much it. We're going to put it in a 400-degree oven till it reaches an internal temperature of about 145. That's going to depend on how thick your chops are and how hot your oven is. Once you pull it out, put a piece of foil over the top loosely and let it set for about 10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the recipe right here anyway. Y'all, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today for these pork chops. Remember to like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.